In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can emote hop here and evade on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process really is pretty simple. But essentially, the first thing that you need is a moving emote. If you don't have a moving emote, this will not work. I feel like that's pretty self-explanatory, but essentially, go ahead and equip a moving emote. Some good options are going to be stuff like the gritty, the bold march, the backslide, or the default dance. Go ahead and equip any of those. Those are pretty great. Avoid standing emotes though, because they will stop your movement instantly. But to do it on PS5, begin by sprinting forward to actually build up some momentum. Once you go ahead and sprint forward just like so, you need to go ahead and do a jump. And while you're jumping, go ahead and flick your camera 180 degrees. Now while you're mid-air, so mid-jump, essentially what you want to go ahead and do is open up your emote wheel just by holding down on the D-pad and then of course selecting one of your emotes, and as soon as you land from that jump, go ahead and just hit your left stick backwards and hold the crouch or slide button as you do that and move back and forth using the left and right stick in order to keep your momentum. So the process really is, once again, pretty simple. Just move forward, jump, flick 180 degrees while you're mid-air, open up that emote wheel, select one of those emotes, and then land and hit S. And then, of course, go ahead and use left stick and right stick to go ahead and keep that momentum. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel though with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.